How to use credits on CNFans. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use your credits on CNFans. So if you're wondering how to spend your credits on CNFans, what you need to do is that first of all open the platform, and when you make purchases you'll accumulate credits. And to put these credits to use, you first need to log into your account. Here you can see that I've already logged in. So once you have logged into your account, you're going to click on your profile over here, and then you're going to click on my account. So once you do so, you will be redirected to your account. So what you got to do is over here at the left side, you'll be able to see a couple of options. So you got to click on my assets, and then over here you got to click on wallet. So once you click on wallet, you'll be able to see all of your balance over here, and then what you got to do is click on my credits, and you'll be able to view all of your credits over here. And if you do have credits, you'll be able to see that listed over here, and you'll be able to see your credit details here and your redeem record here. So now to redeem a product, you can simply click on redeem products, and this will open a text box where you can paste the link of the items you want to redeem, obviously if you have credits. So once you're on the redemption page, you could just enter the product link, and if you have enough credits you'll be able to claim it. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.